I want to start with a story that depicts very well why this channel is different. But first, why should you even listen to me? I've spent the last decade building companies across multiple industries: marketing and sales, finance, e commerce, real estate, and in the last 5 years, AI. I have consulted over 750 businesses worldwide on AI company enablement, adoption, and governance. My AI transformation company, AISSBG, has built over 350 custom AI solutions and two enterprise level agentic AI operating systems for clients across three continents. So, when I talk about building with AI, I'm not teaching theories that I saw in another video on YouTube. I'm sharing what's working in the real world. Back in early 2024, realizing that my time is limited and I can't be effective if I'm trying to be everywhere and do everything, I faced a big decision. I could have easily followed the trend, kept posting AI tutorials on YouTube, showing cool automations and workflows. It was the hot thing at the time. The business model was pretty simple: join the hype, grow fast, build a school group, charge $99 per month, and teach people how to basically do the same thing. It was almost a bulletproof system for making money. And a lot of people did make a lot of money that way. Or I could take the harder road, focusing on actually building AI products that disrupt industries, reshape workflows, and redefine what's possible for businesses. And that path was uncertain. It required massive amounts of time, resources, and patience. There were no guarantees, only a lot of hard work and delayed gratification. And as strange as it sounds, that's the road I chose. Because if there's one thing I've learned in life and in business, it's this: the easy path is never the right path. And great stories are never built by people who followed the crowd. Thanks to that decision, I got the chance to learn what it actually means to build a bootstrap tech company from the ground up, build a high quality team that lives and breathes what we do, strike meaningful strategic partnerships with companies from Los Angeles, London, and all the way through to Saudi Arabia. Talk to so many companies and see their struggles, need, and goals, and build real AI product that help businesses transform from legacy systems and processes into AI first organizations. And that unique experience now gives me the context I need to provide real value to you and not some generic ChatGPT generated information. Now, here's what's changed in 2026 and why it's so important for you as an entrepreneur. We've moved past the AI tools phase. That was 2023 to 2025. Right now, we're in the infrastructure phase, where business leaders are now starting to realize that adding more fragmented AI tools is not the answer to their business problems. In my last two videos, I talked about the elevated rate of failed corporate AI projects as per MIT's most recent research report on AI company adoption, and gave you the blueprint on what you need to do if you want your AI project to join the 5% of companies that actually succeed with AI. So, yeah, many companies have already burned themselves with poorly executed AI projects, wasting months and tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. And they're now skeptical about the actual value this technology can bring to their business. And many people in the AI industry seem to be worried about that. But in my opinion, this is a major opportunity in disguise for people providing AI consulting and development services. This is where the real builders and system thinkers are emerging. People creating AI first companies, transforming legacy businesses into AI first organizations, and building AI driven products and systems that solve real complex problems for companies and not just look cool automations on social media. As an ambitious entrepreneur, you have to be able to recognize that the AI revolution is no longer about knowing prompts or playing with apps. Anyone can do that. Hence, it's a commoditized market where it's nearly impossible to stand out and differentiate your services. Succeeding with AI in 2026 and building a defensible moat around your AI business is about learning how to think like a system designer, an operator, and a master strategist. That's the difference between the get rich quick with AI and build a multi-billion-dollar company with AI mindsets. Because in the age of limitless potential, the opportunity cost of dreaming too small is way too high. So, to bring it back full circle, if you truly want to make the most out of the AI revolution and not be crushed by the giant tsunami headed your way, you need to move away from the get rich quick with AI mindset. Stop wasting your time and paying hundreds or thousands of dollars for tools, courses, and templates that will not help you build a real AI business. And instead, focus on expanding your meta skill set and building your own internal process or system that allows you to deconstruct and solve big and complex problems faster and better than anyone else. That's where you will find real and lasting success. If you're ready to stop consuming and start building, book your AI strategy session in the link below, and my team and I will help you map out your business model, your leverage strategy, and the systems you need to scale. It's free and it will show you exactly where your biggest opportunities lie as an entrepreneur in 2026. Look, there has never been a better time to be an entrepreneur. So focus, get to work, and start building. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on so that you don't miss the next upload. I'll see you in the next one.